Hey yeah, so welcome to episode 5 of What to Cook When Don't Wanna Cook. So today I was craving for something really sweet, so I decided to make something with mangoes. Since it was mango season and I had some mangoes at home, so I decided to make this mango and milk pudding, which was really delicious. So for that I took at least half a liter of full fat milk, and yeah, just you need to let it boil for some time, at least for 4 to 5 minutes until it really thickens. So you can see the consistency. Now it's totally up to you whether you want to have it just like that, or you can also make your mango and milk kulfi, and yeah, so it's totally up to you. Now once you see that your milk has really thickened, you can add some corn flour powder. I've added at least 2 tablespoons of corn flour powder over here and mix it all really well so that no lump is formed. And yeah, then in the next step I'm adding some powdered sugar. I've added half a cup of powdered sugar and mix it all really well. So yeah, just make sure that you stir all the mixture nicely and scrape from the corners as well. So for the mango mixture, I'm adding some mango pulp over here in half a liter of full fat milk in another pan, and yeah, just mix it all really well. I have made sure that there are some chunks of mango present in this mixture. Then I've added some corn flour powder, 1 tablespoon, and just mix it all really well. You can set it aside in a bowl and yeah, let it freeze, or you can have it just like that. It's really tasty. So do follow, and bye bye.